creation of the database are the first one, defining the structure, or we can also say it as the defining its schema, designing forms for displaying and entering data into it. Third step is entering data into it. First one, the schema definition. To set up a database designer has to first define its structure, that is the schema definition. This is done by identifying characteristics of each field in it. A good way to begin defining schema of database is to list down on paper all the fields that a designer can think of for inclusion in the database, and then to determine the name, type and size of each field. While defining the schema of a database, it is important to consider possible future needs and needs of all types of users of the database. The second step in creating the database is designing forms. After defining the structure of database, the next step is to design forms for convenient data entry. Each form displays set of fields of database structure with appropriate amount of blank spaces against each to enable data entry in those fields. The third one is entering data. After a designer completes designing the forms of a database, the database is ready for enter of data. Users enter data in a database one record at a time. To enter data, a user issues a command that calls up and displays appropriate form with blank fields. What is the RDBMS? RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. All modern database management systems like SQL, MS SQL Server, IBM, DB2, Oracle, MySQL and Microsoft Access are based on the Relational Database Management System. It is called as the Relational Database Management System because it is based on the relational model introduced by E.F. Code. The Relational Database Management System database uses tables to store data. A table is a collection of related data entries and contains rows and columns to store data. A table is the simplest example of data storage in Relational Database Management System. The example of the Relational Database Management System is shown in the figure. It consists of the student table which consists of the different attributes such as the ID of the student, the name of the student, age of the student and the course.